Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. In this video, I will give you a long-awaited update on my local directory project that I have been postponing and have recently scraped and revived to present you guys. And before I show the actual website and the logic behind building it, I want to reiterate on a very strong belief of mine that directories, especially statewide directories, are the future of rank and rent. Niche going forwards. Yes, this is clickbaity. I have not personally stopped building rank and rents. I have several successful rank and rent websites. This one here, and this one, and another smaller website that is still ranking #1 and getting me leads and phone calls every week. But I want to be honest here, and I want you to have all the options so that you can take any route that you wish. So why we're having this conversation about rank and rents versus directories? This is because the local SERP in 2026 is unrecognizable. Organic CTR drops when AI Overview appears, and AI Overviews have recently started crawling into local SERPs. Google prioritizing ads and also making sure that the local organic GMB listings are not clickable as far as phone numbers. So this is terrible news. And if you think about it in the long term, rank and rent don't have a lot of things going for it. AI overviews are going to answer many queries. More ads above the fold are going to be there. Fake GMBs are getting killed, and many rank and rents are indeed fake GMBs. The ceiling is very low, so all you can do is rank and then hope to get the leads. And all this is fixed by a statewide directory. First off, those directories are genuinely helpful. They curate real information that people actually need. Cost calculators, severity assessments, provider comparisons, local resources, and Google helpful content system that still exists to this day rewards exactly this. Then you're being 100% transparent. You're not a fake business pretending to be someone you're not. You are a directory, a curated list of real providers. You have nothing to hide. And thirdly, and this is probably the most important one of all, you have various income streams. You can sell display ads as ad space. You can resell your leads. You can sell featured listings. You can have affiliate deals or call commissions. So if you are able to build a statewide directory with a lot of traffic in one of the rank and rent niches, you are golden. And I've built one. I have just launched it. So just like minutes ago, I connected it to my Google Search Console, so there is no data. But this is one of the more robust and monstrous, if you wish, projects that I've ever built. It's over 400 pages, 60 plus real providers, 8 free tools, and I'm aiming at eventually arriving at 5 different income streams. So you can resell leads for $25 to $100 per lead. You can get paid for featured listings for $300 per month easily. You can get call commissions. You can sell display space, or you can connect to one of the display ads networks like Mediavine, or you can have affiliate partnerships. And if you're able to build multiple state directories, you're looking at a very large sum of money. And there are a lot of niches to choose from: mold remediation, water damage, tree service, pest control, foundation repair, electricians, and almost none of them. So whichever niche you take, almost none of them have statewide directories that are tailored to the specific needs of the state. So this is wide open. Nobody's talking about it but me, but this is wide open, guys. Now, without further ado, let me show you what I've built. And this is nothing short of amazing. So this is a directory. It is a directory. It's not trying to be a rank and rent. Has amazing banana images. It has so much going for it. I probably recorded another video. You can enter the directory straight away. You can browse by location, and the directory looks like this. Going back to the home page, you get specific locations. All the pages are there. All the pages are internal links. You get FAQs. From the home page, you get access to free tools and resources. You can fill in a free quote. And one of my subscribers asked me a very important question, which was like, how are you going to collect the leads if anyone can just go to the provider directly? And this is a good question. And my game is that first, I have multiple streams of income. Secondly, you are acting as an authority. So by you curating this list, you pass yourself off as an authority that knows the niche inside out and can genuinely make a very good recommendation based on the person's needs. Now, I've got a blog section, which looks amazing. So It currently has, I don't know how many, probably 50 blog posts. Each one looks amazing with internal links, images. And this is, again, this is all done by CloudCode. Everything. So there is no external tool. It's all CloudCode. Now you can click to more. There are free tools here, like hoarding cleanup cost calculator, for example, that is fully working. And this looks amazing. It feels so professional, guys. You have resources, like if you wanted support groups, for example, you get a list of support groups in Cleveland, in Columbus, in Cincinnati. So this is all tailored to a specific geolocation. You get a glossary, a very nice About Us section with our mission, our approach. The telephone number is the actual telephone number. The address is the one of a coworker. If you click on a free quote anywhere on the website, you can fill this in. And again, I can spend probably another half an hour talking about all the different things that I've built into this directory. And this is an HTML site, so just bear with me. So if we go to the page speed and sites, let me just type this in real quick. And I'll tell you why I'm showing this. This is a 400 plus page website that we're talking. And it shows 93 for mobile and 98 for desktop. So this is lightning fast. And one of the reasons I had to rebuild the whole project is that it was initially started inside of base 44, and doesn't really matter what you choose, base 44, Lovable, Bold.new. Those vibe coding tools are not fit for large SEO projects. They build amazing one-pagers, they build tools, but the websites that they build, they're terrible. Yes, there are workarounds. You can connect Astra to Bold, for example, but it's always better to just build everything natively inside of CloudCode. And this is a static website. So there is no Vercel, there is no Netlify. This is hosted on Hostinger as a PHP/HTML website. And I just want to show you something. If you scroll down and go to the admin, this is the admin panel. And it records everything. So these are the leads. These are my leads. So these are not real leads. I was just testing things out. These are the leads. I can go to any of these leads and check it out and tag it and put notes. This one is going to tell me about the behavior of people on the website. So how many people have visited the directory, the hoarding assessment calculator. This is the actual directory. So I can check any of these listings. I can edit it, can delete it, I can amend it, I can make it invisible. So this gives me full control over the directory listings. And from the dashboard, I can see the top line information, the helicopter view, how many leads I've gotten, how many website clicks, businesses clicked on. And the main reason for this is that it will help with monetization. So as opposed to just approaching your business and saying, I'm getting this many impressions or I'm getting this many clicks, you can just show them inside of the dashboard and tell them, these are the actual leads I'm collecting, these are the actual businesses that are getting clicked, these are the actual tools that are being used. And this is a much stronger position when it comes to monetization. And this is built with Superbase. So basically the genius of this is that while all of this is HTML, once I go to the admin panel, it just fetches whatever information is stored in the Superbase. So this is really simple, very easy to set up. But this is the project file that I'm working with, that I've built myself. The entire logic behind this directory is stored here. So I can reuse it as a template for other locations within the same niche or for other niches within the same location. And I will make this public inside of my school community. I will not do it just yet. I want to test more, but I will be sharing this with you guys. And we have a very active conversations about rank and rent right now. And people are getting very good results with even rank and rents. Like again, leads, impressions, they are sharing their results, encouraging each other. So I can only imagine what's going to happen when I will release this directory approach. So go check it out. Much more to offer than just the directories. It has my flagship search gap methods, my Vibe SEO course, a rapid ranking system, a niche hunter course. There are so many different things and custom tools as well. So go check them out and hope this was helpful. Cheers.